I'm going to show you how to enable the NFC feature on Google Pixel phone that will allow you to tap to pay or pair other devices just by tapping phones together. So it's a really cool feature. So first go to the settings, and then go to connected devices, go to connection preferences, and then go to NFC. So NFC stands for near field communication. Again, this is used for things like contactless payments on like Google Pay, or like if you want to pair devices or you want to share files between devices just by tapping them together. You could also choose to require like unlock to use the NFC just for more security. There's also for the contactless payments, there's the Google Wallet or the WeChat. And then over here you can choose to turn it off completely if you don't want anyone trying to take advantage of your phone or transfer files from your phone or to pair devices with yours. So that's how to use NFC on Google Pixel phone. You can give it a try. That's it for the video. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.